Prosecco is known mainly as a light aperitif wine for toasting in happy hours. But its origins are in Italy. Where there is wine, there is food. So yes, Prosecco can indeed be paired with food during lunches and dinners. But the key to that? You have to choose the right Prosecco. Hi everyone, I'm Jacqueline, a chef and sommelier from Vero, where we go around the world seeking high-quality craft wines from small producers. Producers like Col del Balt and Zenon, that, like we said in our previous videos on Prosecco, we'll link to those in the description, are two of our favorite winemakers from the Prosecco area. Focusing on the Sanzovo brothers of Col del Balt, they make really outstanding Proseccos, like this Valdobbiadene Prosecco Superiore DOCG Brut, that I'm going to enjoy while I'm telling you guys what is the secret sauce that allows Prosecco to pair well even with main courses, and that it's not only just a wine for aperitivos. So let's give this Prosecco Brut a taste. Lovely bubbles. The fresh fruity notes of pear, apple, and citrus are the first things that pop out to me. It's really inviting on the nose, and it definitely makes me want to do this. When tasting, you immediately perceive the high acidity that causes a nice salivation in the mouth. It's kind of a fresh, watery sensation that blends well with the fruity taste and helps to counterbalance the sensazione dolce, or the natural sweetness that is inherent in some dishes. Also, the numerous bubbles are persistent, and that's really important when pairing this wine, as it will go well with greasier dishes, thanks to the cleansing action of the bubbles that will help to clean the palate afterwards. So the key is choosing a high-quality Prosecco that has good acidity, all while still being balanced, with a strong and persistent perlage or fizz. You could choose, say, a Prosecco like this one. Now, we have the wine, so what can we pair it with? When it comes to pairing, it's always a good idea to start from traditional dishes of the area where the wine comes from. It's called pairing by tradition, and it's a great way to truly and fully experience and represent a wine region through both food and wine coming together in harmony. In the case of Proseccos, we are, of course, in northern Italy, specifically in Veneto. The cuisine of this area is highly influenced by both Venice and the Dolomite Mountains. For this reason, dishes using salted cod or bacala are popular, and these can be dishes such as bacala alla vicentina or other fish dishes like sardine sour or sardines marinated in a vinegar-based sauce. Looking at the Dolomite region, the foods that come from the mountains are more hearty and earth-rooted dishes. Those are such as pasta and fagioli, or pasta with beans, and there are several DOP foods, or foods of protected origin, that come from this area, such as Asiago cheese and Radicchio di Treviso. Meats are also popular, with a variety of salami being produced. Famous in the area is called the carne salada, a salty cured beef, kind of like a local version of bresaola. But you can definitely be more adventurous and pair Prosecco with contemporary and trendy cuisines. Sushi, for example, goes great with Prosecco because the delicate taste of the food is not overpowered by the wine, and the acidity of the Prosecco helps to balance out the sweet sensations of the rice and the raw fish. Vegan or vegetarian-based cuisine also can have many great pairing opportunities with Prosecco, thanks to delicate and fresh flavors that marry very well with raw salads and veggies too. A particular vegan dish that can be surprisingly well paired with Prosecco is hummus. The acidity of the wine counteracts the sweetest sensation of the hummus, and effervescence from the bubbles marries well with the creamy texture, cleansing the mouth and making it ready to enjoy another bite. And of course, you can play it safe and pair Prosecco with grilled chicken, grilled fish, or other seafoods. Those are all great options here as well. But if you want to try something different and unique, we've paired Prosecco before with a risotto con la zucca e formaggio, or a pumpkin risotto with cheese, specifically Asiago. The result was amazing. You can read more about that and find the recipe for the dish in our blog. We'll put the link in the description below. I hope this video gave you some cool pairing ideas that will help you make an impression on your friends in your next gathering. Remember, the key is the quality of the wine, so don't miss the opportunity to get your hands on our amazing Proseccos by visiting our shop at verovino.com. Thank you for watching, and I will see you with the next video.